Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the margins in your Google Documents. There are two ways to do it. First way is to adjust margins in Page Setup. First, click File and select Page Setup. Now you can change each margin by clicking a box and typing a new measurement. Click OK when you're done. The default margins are set to 1 inch on each side. However, you can change them by clicking Set as Default after you change the margins. The default margins take effect whenever you create a new document. They will not affect existing documents. The second way is to adjust margins with the ruler. If you don't see the ruler above and to the left of your document, click View and select the ruler. Go to the gray portion at either end of a ruler. Your cursor will become an arrow. Click and drag to change the margins. Remember that adjusting the margins affects every page of your document. Currently, you cannot set different margins for individual pages. Still, this feature may be useful when you need to customize your document. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.